सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसितान हमारा. Good morning everyone. We have all gathered here on this digital platform to acknowledge our privilege of being born in a free India and celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our nation. With freedom in our mind, faith in our words, and pride in our souls, let us wish each other a very happy Independence Day. Let us begin the program with the auspicious flag hoisting ceremony as a tribute to our motherland. Let the tricolour immerse in our strength, peace, and growth.
Whole group, attention! Sanities. National salute, salute!
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा. विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा. तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे. गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Order.
I, Nikita Medappa of 2nd PUC, will be hosting today's virtual Independence Day celebration. On this note, with immense pleasure, I take this opportunity to welcome our chief guest, Dr. Benny Kuriakose, who has been an inspiration for all. His visions have given us the path to follow and to make our dreams into reality. A pleasant welcome to you, sir. I take great honor in welcoming all the members of the school trust who have given us the roots to stand strong and aim high. I cordially welcome all our vice principals and academic coordinators who have been working endlessly to help shape young lives. I further extend my gracious welcome to all the teaching and non-teaching staffs who are an integral part of this institution. A warm welcome to the parent community who have been pillars of strength in all our endeavors. Last but not the least, a hearty welcome to all the students to this virtual Independence Day celebration. A warm welcome to everyone on behalf of the entire school family. We dance for laughter, we dance for tears, we dance for madness, and we dance for fear. But today, we dance in tribute to our glorious nation. Here we have Miss Sonal and Miss Hishita with a dazzling dance performance.
तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था. ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था. ये तेरी मेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे। तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे।
This day, we intend to express our gratitude to the freedom fighters, the martyrs, and the soldiers of our country. Now, I call upon Ms. Anchal Pooja of Class 8 to speak a few words.
Of great men all remind us that we can make our lives sublime, and departing leave behind us the footprints on the sands of time. Respected principal, dear teachers, and my dear friends, with great pride and joy, I would like to wish every citizen of this independent country a very happy 75th Independence Day.
To add to our patriotic fervor and rekindle the national pride in our souls, we now have Ms. Lisha Dechama, Ms. Kashvi, Master Sai Ponana, and Master Ganapati CS singing a few patriotic songs for us.
वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा। ओ भारत देश है मेरा, ओ भारत देश है मेरा।
हर कर्म अपना करेंगे, हर कर्म अपना करेंगे।
దూస్తానవు ఎందు మరెయద భారత రత్నవు నీనాగు.
The entire nation celebrates this day with the spirit of oneness and hopes for a vibrant, strong, and supreme nation. Now, I would like to call our teacher, Mrs. Pushpa, to speak a few words.
जो भरा नहीं भावों से, बहती जिसमें रसधार नहीं, वो हृदय नहीं, वो पत्थर है जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं।
If I could say it in words, there would be no reason to paint. Now, we have Master Ricket, Master John, and Miss Lochana presenting their artistic skills. The ethos of our freedom struggle forms the foundation of modern India. Let us now listen to an inspiring speech by Master Rayan.
Good morning, one and all. Distinguished principal, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. I offer you my greetings on our 75th Independence Day. It is a happy and emotional day for all Indians, whether living at home or abroad.
To fill our hearts with the love for nation and evoke the feeling of togetherness, here we have the dance performances by Master Dhanush, Master Kritin, and Master Kritik. Now, I welcome our chief guest, Dr. Benny Kuriakose, to address the gathering on this special occasion.
Good morning, dear teachers and my loving children. At the outset, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day.
Now, we present to you the glimpses of the plantation drive, Plant a Sapling, which was initiated by Cook Public School to mark the 75th Independence Day celebrations. Gratitude is the mother of all virtues. To extend our gratitude to everyone who participated in this virtual celebration, I take pleasure in inviting Master Rahul Chengappa to propose the vote of thanks.
Lastly, I would like to thank all the parents and viewers for their presence virtually in today's celebration and making it all the more delightful. Once again, I thank one and all. Jai Hind.